Hi, it's Michael. Here is a daily exercise routine that helps maintain body's mobility, the joints, the muscles. The exercises are very simple, most of them anyway. There are a couple of exercises at the end that are slightly more complex, but not much, and fairly intuitive. So anybody can do them. That is the point of these exercises, that anybody, regardless of age and coordination capability, athletic abilities, can do them. And it's extremely important to do them daily and sticking to it. So the best time to do it is first thing in the morning after waking up, going to pee, drinking, and exercising. 15 to 20 minutes, that's how long the exercise routine should be. 15 to 20 minutes. It can be longer, but it should not be below 15 minutes. So doing enough repetitions of each exercise is obviously important. Let's say 10 or more, depending on which exercise it is. Listen to your body while you perform the exercise. If you feel some clicking in a joint or some strange strain, reassess the exercise or even delete it. And of course you can add your own or just choose which ones you wish out of these ones. Now, by the way, obviously I'm in a forest and the air temperature is fairly cool, so I'm wearing this super athletic clothes, and the pants have authentic Canadian mud on them from the muddy trails. Fortunately, I managed to stay out of the horse poop, so that's good. Anyway, back to the exercises. When you exercise, stand in a natural stance, usually shoulder width apart, feet, knees slightly bent, never lock your knees, back straight, shoulders straight, and relax the body. The body parts that are being exercised should be relaxed, not tensing them. We start with very easy ones. We start with the arms and hands. So just opening and closing your hand. The thumb goes on the inside to maximize the range of the thumb. And if you find this simple enough, you can do them sequentially. You can open and close them sequentially. And again, 10 repetitions, maybe more, depending how your body feels. And after that, switching to the wrists, the hands, just in a relaxed, gentle way, finding the maximum range of your hands, of your wrist, and following the maximum comfortable range of the joint. Okay, and then switching to the forearms, to the elbows. Again, the same thing, reversing the directions. Again, 10 repetitions at least in each direction. You can keep on reversing them, and then going to the arms. And again, switching directions and counter-rotating if you dare. And you can counter-rotate in the opposite direction. And after the arms, it's the shoulders. Again, maximum range of the motion, rolling the shoulders backwards and forward as much as you can, and you can alternate any way you want. The next one is called turning doorknobs. Imagine you're holding a doorknob in your hands and you just turn it back and forth. Turning doorknobs. Again, do it good number of times. If you do it only 3 times, 4 times, almost what's the point? So do a good number of times and then shake it off. Then just shake it off, very loosely shaking it. Okay, next one is swinging arms in several different ways. So almost horizontal swinging in and out. Again, full range of motion, relaxed, no tension, comfortable. And then switch to up and down, up and down, up and down. And then switch to this way, vertically. The next exercise is turning the upper body, the trunk, from side to side. So elbows up, shoulders relaxed down, and turn from side to side. Go as far as you can comfortably go. Listen to your body, keep the spine straight, and no jerking, no forcing anything. Listen to the body. If you feel strain in the spine or in the lower back, then decrease the range, the swing, or stop the exercise, and do it 25 times. There and back counts as once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 25 times. The next exercise is circling the hips. Keep the feet and head as stationary as you can, and just circle the hips one way, then the other way. You can alternate. You can do once and then switch directions. Again, do a good number of repetitions. After the hips, we go to the ankles. You can hold on to some solid object, or you don't have to, and just move your ankle up and down. Oh, hiker going by. Move your ankle up and down, and then switch to the other leg. The next one's the knees. So we'll be kicking back with the heels, going from side to side. Try not to come up and down. Try to stay as level as you can, but it's not that important. Just keep the knees bent and kick with the heels back. And again, good number of repetitions. The next exercise is circling with your upper body with the trunk, and bend your knees to take the slack of the lower back, not to strain the lower back, and actually put your hands on your thighs. You can support your trunk with the hands, so you don't have to, and then just make as wide circles with your upper body as you can, not to get dizzy. You can switch directions after each circle, or any way you want. Again, listen to your body. Don't strain your neck spine. Keep your head pretty much level. The next exercise will be exercising the shoulder and below the shoulder, and it's a wonderful stretch. It is maybe a little slightly more complex, but basically your arm comes across the body, goes up above your head. You can feel the stretch here and here when it's above your head, and then it will come down this way. But to take the strain of the shoulder, we turn the body the way the arm goes, so it goes like this. So the whole exercise is like this, like so. And keep the arm fairly tight above the head, fairly low, to get a good stretch here. It's a wonderful exercise. It feels really nice. And of course to the other side. The next exercise is swinging each leg, one at a time, obviously. So find some solid support, and lift your foot off the ground, tilt your body away from the swing so you have more clearance below your foot, and point your toe up. This is as to not to strike the ground with your foot when you'll be swinging the foot. It hurts, believe me. And you just swing the foot, the leg. And how high and how far back you swing it is up to your body, how it feels. There is no need to do martial arts kicks. There is no need for it, and maybe it's better not to. But this is just a very comfortable, very pleasant feeling in the hip as the hip is being exercised. And obviously, then switching sides. The next one is a truncated and simplified sun salute. So feet shoulder width apart, knees again slightly bent, comfortably relaxed, standing position. Hands here, stretch up, come back, come down, straight down. Your fingers touch the ground, but they don't have to. If all you can do is to come down here, if that's all your back allows, that's fine, or here, or here. Whatever depth of the knee bend it is, it's fine. But if you can come down all the way to the floor, keep your back straight, don't hunch, keep your back straight. Then you come back up, you stretch up again and come down. So it's up, straight down, up and back here. Up, straight down, up and come back here. The next exercise has a slight complexity to it, but once you see it, it's fairly easy. We will be kind of rolling balls with our arms. So we start here, our arms will make a ball. So we roll the ball, we step out to the side, to one side, and then we roll the ball this way. So the whole upper body turns this way. Then we come back to the center, roll the ball, step out and twist this way. So roll, and the head is turning with the trunk. So you go this way. Like so. And you come back in. The next one is the knee will come up, and you will touch with the opposite hand the ankle. So, like so. You can keep your arms out like this. It doesn't matter where you keep your arms. The point is that you touch your ankle with the opposite hand, and after you do enough repetitions of these, if you can physically, you change it to elbow to the knee. The opposite elbow goes to the opposite knee. Like this. Again, do enough repetitions. The next exercise, if your body will allow it, is make a slightly wider stance, bend your knees more, again to take a strain off the lower back, and we'll be touching with the opposite hand the opposite toes. Okay, so again you can keep your arms here or whatever you want, that's not so important, and you will touch the opposite toe. You will come up and touch the opposite toe and alternate like this, and of course breathe in a deep regular way. So you would breathe in and breathe out on the way down. Alright, we are almost at the end of this exercise routine. So now we'll be just marching in one spot. And march fairly vigorously, so swing the arms nicely. Keep your body straight, try not to come up and down, and lift the knees as high as it feels comfortable. Again, listen to your body. If your body feels comfortable only with this, that's fine. If you can do fairly high, then do fairly high. And do a good number of repetitions again, do it for a while. And then after this, we kind of shake it all off. So if you can do this exercise, if you can shake your arms, shake your shoulders, shake your bum, and shake your whole body, then do so. If you cannot do this, then just jump around loosely like this, and then we finish it with several deep breaths. So breathe in, release the breath. Breathe in, release the breath. Breathe in. So do a 5 repetitions or so, whatever feels comfortable to you. So this is it for this simple exercise routine. Again, the point of this routine is to exercise the joints and the muscles. It's not to have some complex, impressive exercises, and it's to do it every single day in the morning. It can be done in the afternoon, evening too, but then it's harder to find time for it. So in the morning, wake up, pee, drink, exercise, 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll see how much more energized you will feel. You will feel in better mood, and as a benefit, your body will be helped in maintaining mobility into its advanced age. So if there are any questions or comments, they can be left below the video. Wishing you health and joyful life. Michael out.